Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to connect your Pinterest account using the custom method with BitSocial. Let's begin. First, navigate to the Accounts section. Then click on the Connect Account button. Here, we see different types of social media platforms. Now select Pinterest. There are two options for connecting a Pinterest account in BitSocial. Now click on the Custom App button under Pinterest. To connect your Pinterest account, you need both the app key and app secret. Then go to the Pinterest developers page and click on the Connect App button. Now fill in the details about your app information. Here, upload your app's logo if you need. Input your app name and your company name. Next, enter your website URL and privacy policy page URL. Please provide a short description of your app and explain its key features and functionality. After you fill in the all required details, click on the Submit button. Once your app is created, you will be redirected to the app dashboard. Your app has been successfully created. It must be approved, and approval will be granted within 2 days. After you get approved, you will get the proper Pinterest API key. Now click on the Manage button. Then get back to the Pinterest account section. Now copy this redirect URL and paste it into the redirect section. Then click on the Add button. Now copy the app ID and paste it into the app key field. Copy the app secret key and paste it into the app secret field. Now click on the Add button. After successfully adding, click on Connect button. To access your Pinterest account with BitSocial, simply click on the Give Access button. Your Pinterest account will be displayed in the pop-up. Now click on the Save button. You see a Pinterest account connected in the BitSocial account section. Now you can easily share your WordPress posts to your Pinterest account using WP Auto Post, WP Post Schedule, and Share Now features. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.